Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your team on Fantasy Premier League. So for that, first of all, you have to open a web browser because this cannot be done in the mobile app itself. So go ahead and simply open the browser and then in the search bar search for premierleague.com. Once you have searched for it, go ahead and log into your account. Now, to reset, you'll actually need to delete your current team and create a new one. For that, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Fantasy. Go ahead and simply tap on Fantasy right over here. Inside here, select Pick Teams. And inside here, you want to go ahead and scroll below until you find Admin section. Inside Admin, you'll then be able to find User Profile. Tap onto it. Just like that, inside here, you want to go ahead and simply scroll this button. Then tap on Manage Account. And then inside Manage Account, you will then be able to find two options. One, you will see Sign Out if you're signed in. And then next, you will be able to find Delete Account. Go ahead and tap on Delete Account. And then confirm you want to delete. Tap on Continue, enter your password, and then your account will be scheduled for deletion. If you want to log back in within 21 days, it will be reactivated. If not, it's gone permanently and you will be able to create a brand new team from scratch. And that is how you can reset your team on Fantasy Premier League. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.